guys, Hasnick Farms here. My name's Drew. I do pretty much all the filming and whatnot. We are in a cornfield now. If you've been paying attention to Instagram and Facebook pages, the beans we ran were a 1-1 bean, so they dried out pretty good. It was like 12.5% moisture when we got all done running those, and the next ones were a 1-8. So the maturity was a little bit longer, and those are not ready to run yet, unfortunately, because we wanted to get canola planted where those beans are, and we can't do that now because we haven't run the beans. And we got 4 days of rain coming up, so we just decided to switch over to corn, and hopefully we can knock out some corn acres here. Big Lexion 8600 is eating away at them. Just got started in the cornfield a few minutes ago, so we'll see how this goes and enjoy the video. What's up, guys? We are on the canola planter. If I can turn my camera around. There we go. Planting canola. Step down here off the platform. Well, bean harvest was short-lived. We had some 1-1 beans over there. These are 1-8s here, and those are not ready to run yet. So, take the bean head off, take that home, and put the corn head on and see if we can't run some corn. Corn harvest 2021 has begun. That's a nice field of cover crop. Look at that. First load of corn going into the grain cart. Walk back to the farm. Get to walk through this beautiful field of cover crop. If you live in the area, you've probably seen this along M99. We just put fence up, built some fence around it, and graze our cattle. We got 19 head now. They'll be out here munching on all this good stuff. Pretty good day, considering. Got all the canola planted that we could get planted. 40 acres of corn run, really small fields, and lots of headlands, edges of the field, stuff like that. So couldn't make a whole lot of progress in the corn. And now it's time to head home. You can't see me. Thanks for watching.